Portable folding washing machine, 12 liters all-in-one elution washer. Compact yet spacious design, the 12 liters portable folding washing machine offers a perfect blend of size and functionality. With its foldable design, it's incredibly space-saving and easy to store, making it ideal for student dormitories, small apartments, and travel. Despite its compact size, the 12 liters capacity ensures you can wash multiple items at once, from underwear to small clothing items. All-in-one washing and elution system, this washing machine integrates washing and elution, rinse and spin, in one device, streamlining the laundry process. It's perfect for delicate items like underwear, baby clothes, socks, and towels, ensuring they are cleaned thoroughly and gently. Foldable and portable, the machine folds down easily, making it portable and convenient for home use, travel, or dorm life. It's lightweight yet durable, allowing you to carry it anywhere effortlessly. Perfect for delicates, designed to wash delicate items, it mimics hand washing with gentle agitation to protect fabrics. This makes it ideal for washing sensitive materials while maintaining hygiene. Energy efficient and eco-friendly, this folding washing machine is energy efficient, using minimal electricity and water, which makes it cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Durable material, built with high-quality, durable materials, this washing machine is designed to withstand repeated use while ensuring longevity. User-friendly operation, featuring a simple and intuitive control panel, it's easy to operate for anyone. Just add your laundry, water, and detergent, then select your desired mode, and let the machine do the work. Wide applications, whether you're at home, in a dorm, or on a trip, this portable folding washing machine is your perfect companion for hassle-free laundry. Specifications: capacity, 12 liters. Function, washing and elution, rinse or spin. Use, ideal for small items like underwear, socks, baby clothes, and towels. Design, foldable and portable. Suitable for student dormitories, small apartments, travel, and home use. Say goodbye to tedious hand washing and embrace the convenience of the 12 liters portable folding washing machine, perfect for your everyday laundry needs.